Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your teacher for today, Teacher Dell, your apps numeracy specialist. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at substitution in mathematics. On my screen here, I have the definition of what substitution is. So let's read. So, substitution in mathematics is exchanging a variable for value or a value. And here we have a few examples down here, which we are going to do together. So let's look at the instruction. It says here if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 4. Find the value of the following algebraic expressions. Number one is 2x. Wherever we see x, we need to exchange it for 2 because the instruction here says that x is equal to 2. All right, so wherever we see x, we need to replace it with 2. So this is what we would actually have 2. And whenever we see it written like this, we know that we should multiply. As long as you don't see a subtraction sign there or an addition or a division sign, it means that you need to multiply. So it would be 2 multiply by 2. There we go. And our answer is equal to 4. All right, let's look at the second one. Remember, wherever we see x, we replace it with 2. In this expression, we see y also. So we know that we're going to exchange y for 3. So let's start. So 5x. And remember, when it is written like this, we are to multiply. Okay? So we say 5 multiply. And remember what x is. X is 2, so it's multiplied by 2. Let's put these in bracket. And let's do the other part. We have 2 multiplied by y. So y is 3. So we have 2 multiplied by 3. Okay? All right, so let's solve this. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Take away 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Great job. Let's look at the last one. 8x plus y. Remember, wherever we see x, we are going to replace it with 2. And wherever we see y, we're going to replace it with 3. So we write it like this. 8 multiplied by 2. Let's keep that in the bracket. And let's do the other part. Plus y, which is 3. So 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is gonna equal to 19. There we go. There we go. Let me just bring up that page for you. Let me bring it up because I want you to see it. All right. So we have here 8 times 2 is 16. Make sure you know your timetable. Plus 3. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. All right. So let us do another example. So let me just erase for you. And we do another example together, okay? Okay, so let's look at this one. 2x minus y plus z. Okay, let us exchange our variables for a value or for the number. Okay, let's go. So we have x, and we know that x is 2. We know that the y here is 3, and we know that the z here is 4. All right, so let me just rewrite it now. So I'm gonna have 2 multiplied by 2, right? This is it for this part. Take away 3 plus 4. Okay, let's bring that up. Okay, let me just erase that a bit, and let's begin. So 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 plus 4, which is equal to, so 4, and we take away 3 is gonna leave us with 1, and that 1 plus the 4 is gonna equal to 5. There you go. There you have it. And that is our substitution. It somewhat get a little bit interesting. I probably can do another example for you where it gets a little bit interesting. So let's go. I'm trying to put in as much as I can in this video. All right, to make things a little bit more more easier. All right, so let me just get rid of all of this. Let me clean my board. Let me clean my board. Okay. Maths is fun. Maths is fun. Pretty interesting, right? Yes. So let's look at this one. 5. Let me fix that 5. 5x squared. And then we have y. All right, so we're going to expand this a bit so that you'll see what you are working with. All right, let's expand it. All right, let me just bring this down a bit so we see what we're working with. Okay, all right, let's go. Get my red. So we have 5, of course, and we are multiplying it by x is 2. So it is 2, and we write the square. Remember, this is an exponent, guys. And of course, we multiply it by y, which represents, sorry about that, y, which represents 3. All right. All right, let's go. We can now solve. Okay. Let's go. So we work the exponent first. This is what we're going to work first, right? Yeah. 2 squared, which is 2 times 2. All right. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 5 multiplied by 4 and also multiplied by 3. And that's going to equal to 5 times 4 is 20. All right. 20 multiplied by 3. Come on. 20 multiplied by 3 is 60. Yeah. A little bit of work right there, right? A little bit of work right there. Okay. You can do it. Don't worry. You can do it. You can do it. Encourage yourself as you go along that you can do it. All right. Let's look at the final one, the very last one. All right. And this one, It's not addition, it's not subtraction. It's going to be division. So I showed you a little addition, a little subtraction, mixed with little multiplication when we're doing the substitution. And so I want to show you the division also. Okay, let's go. All right, Kaylee and um Elijah. Yes, those are my two favorite students, and of course Kimani. You know that I'm not gonna leave you out of this, right? I know you guys actually make my class very exciting and interesting, and I thank God for you. So let's go. Let's learn. So we have 5, and we have x, and we have y, and it's an exponent. Right there, the y is an exponent. And then that is over 9. Uh-huh. And there is a z, and there is also an exponent with a z. Wow. You probably will be wondering, you're probably wondering, oh my God, what is this? But don't be scared. Don't be, don't get scared right now, because it's not hard. All right. And this is where I come in as your numeracy specialist to break it down for you so that it's a little bit easier and you will understand it. So first thing first, let's do the top part. Let's do our substitution with the top part. Okay. All right. So we got 5, and the x, remember the x is 2, multiply by 2. And remember, we're multiplying again. And the y, which is 3, is an exponent. So it is going to be 2. All right. So let's go. Let's do a bit of solving right there. I'm going to use green. Yeah, with my exponent right there. All right. So let's solve our exponent first. So 3 squared, which is 3, multiplied by 3. And that's going to give us 9. All right. Now we have this part here, which is 5 times 2, which is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So we have 10 multiplied by 9, which is going to equal to 90. All right. So we just solved the top part. Let us do the bottom part now. This bottom part. All right. So we have, let's get the blue. We have 9, and that 9 is multiplied by z. Let's check again what z is. Z is 4. All right, so we're multiplying by 4. All right, come on, guys, work with me. Yes, Lord. Oh, all right, so let's go. 9 multiplied by 4, our answer right there is equal to 36. Sorry about that. So we have the bottom part. Now we can go ahead and solve. All right. Let me just bring this page up a bit. Yeah, so um we have 90 at the top, and we're dividing that by 36. Okay. All right, let's plug that in. All right. So we have 90 and over 36, which is a fraction. So let's go. That's gonna equal to 2 and a half. All right. We say 2.5, and that's our answer right there. I know some persons probably may be wondering, all right then, how did Miss got 2.5? All right, so let me just erase some things a bit so that I can, clear up your curiosity. Let me help clear up your curiosity, okay? All right, so we're gonna do repeated addition right there so that you can see. All right, so we got 36 and we are adding 36, right? Okay, 6 and 6 is 12, so we 2 carry the 1, 3 and 3 is 6 and 1, 72. So it has not reached 90 as yet, so we got 2. Let's add another 36 to it. 6 and 2 is 8. 7 and 3 is 10. So that's 108. So this 72 right here, I'm going to subtract it from the 90. So ready, let's go. 36 from the 90. All right. So we're left with 5 right there. 54. Right? So 54. Sorry, I did something wrong right there. Oh, yes, let's go again. So we're going to subtract 36 from that 54, which is left. Let's see. So we have 4 right there, and 6 from 14, and that gives us 8, and 3 from 4 is 1. So we have 18 that is left. All right, 18. Now, if you notice, we have 236 right there, right? That's how we actually get this 2. That's how we get this 2. All right. Let me just highlight it for you right there. Yes, that's how we get this 2. All right. And then now the fraction has to do with what is left, the 18 that is left out of the 36. All right. So the 18 out of 36 is a half. All right. 18. Yeah, so we can actually say 18 into itself goes 1 time, 18 into 36 goes 2 times. And that is how we actually get the half. All right. So that's our answer. That's our answer. We actually got a fraction. Never wanted that to happen, but yeah. So it's equal to 2, of course, and a half. All right. Yep. That's our little bit of um, substitution. Substitution for today. I hope that this helps in some way. And remember to like this video, remember to share it, and remember also to subscribe for more videos that I will upload on my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.